Oh, there was a fox right across the street, and it looked just like this one.
That was a cat.
No, what you do to me, between me and you, I feel like chemistry.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So we're back with another vlog. Oh, the pumpkin patch just opened today. Oh, that's where we went in my last vlog. But I'll probably go again. I'm not sure what day, but today we are doing some fall home decor shopping. And I'm with my mom. We're about to go pick up my sister from work. But make sure you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe. By the way, my mom wanted me to get on here and tell you guys that I'm not wearing the same shirt as yesterday. It looks the same, but this is a long sleeve version of the same shirt. And if it was, I can wear the same shirt for the whole week or the month, but what does it matter?
Okay. That is a bit cleaner now.
All I feel movie the way they be acting. She said that she like on my eyelid. This life I gotta appreciate. Remember the time I ain't had this. But when they see me in a mansion, tell me that they probably ain't hard to demonstrate. Honestly, I'm really just rapping. When I get my got facing.
I'm not telling my job.
Hey, girl. Hey.
Please.
Hurry up, we got it. Y'all, they're having good sales on this stuff. Oh, they got Christmas stuff already. Okay.
Cute.
Ooh. Pumpkin spice and everything is. I want to get a few things. How much is this one? $10.
Yeah. I think this girl.
Excuse me. I'm not sure what they're thinking, but no, ma'am. Mom, guess how much that is. Guess the price, kid.
See, I see.
Guess the price, Mom.
Why? Right there now, 40% off.
Come on, guess the original price.
Oh, I don't know, 80.
150 for that plastic pumpkin. I know last year we did like the Thanksgiving decoration thing, so we're probably gonna do it this year again, but like a different game. Oh, they got the black people on here. This is like something cute you can like keep in your car. You get one. It's $3.99. You want 30% off.
I have a Christmas thing at.
What's an Airbnb? The Airbnb in their own house.
I think these would be like cute to put in like the little corners of the house and stuff. Pine cones. Look at this ugly corn. Oh, look at these different like things. Mom, look at it. Are these the pilgrims? This is funny to me. Mom, look around a little bit. Wait, can you open this? This would be like it's a cute PR. You know, I need one of these for my YouTube receipts for taxes and stuff. This is not fall related, but these new candies, I think I'm gonna get one of these. Yeah, they're turning the lights off and stuff, so it's time to go. They do close in 30 minutes, so I'm probably gonna end up going to some other decor places tomorrow, and then I'm probably gonna end up doing
line 1, Ruby R line 1, thank you.
None of our sisters were happy because they so old school. We don't even have like continue school.
Yeah, see.
Yeah, you have to see everything in there. All right, that's all for you guys.
It
Katie,
looks.
how about she missed her ring up the wrong thing and they said $4,200 something.
They didn't even have Apple Pay, so my mom had to pay for my stuff, but I hate when my mom pays for my stuff. Later on, she says, oh, I purchased this for you.
Yeah, I told you to go and pay me back before I even brought it. So plan on giving me the money back.
Hey guys, so it's the next day. Once again, don't mind the clothes that I'm wearing. If you see it in like other vlogs and stuff, like I record multiple videos in one day, so that's kind of like why. But right now we are on the way to Food Line. I'm with my sister. And oh yeah, so we're just gonna look at for some like fall treats and stuff. Oh, in the comments, can you say whether my sister should be able to watch Squid Games or not? She's 15 years old. She's about to be 16 in like 3 weeks. So comment down below if she should be able to watch Squid Games. Which she already watched season 1, but if season 2 comes out, she should be able to watch it. If no, say why. If yes, say why. Okay guys, we're in Fruit right now. I realized like other states don't have Food Line, which is crazy. Y'all, they have this machine where you can get like coupons for y'all lunch. This shit is nice. I get so excited for the like holiday stuff. My sister wanted to go get a cart really quick, but I'm so excited. My hair looks really bad from this down angle, but I don't want to hold my camera up too high because people will, you know how they be staring and stuff. So y'all, have you seen this Lunchable before? Mini hot dogs. Okay, I'm back home. I'm gonna go ahead and like taste the cookies for y'all. They're probably gonna be gone super fast.
Do they taste fall?
No. I don't think these are different flavors. They're just different colors.
I don't think it is what we think it is, but
What else could it be?
because me and Mason was there.
If you see hundreds of food trucks, don't leave any hate.
You're gonna have to start giving me gas for driving and riding around.
Get off of me! That just took $5 off.
I could turn back around and take 5 more off.
I mean, I would just imagine you want to do things with your children.
Yeah, but not if they don't give me no gas and stuff and feed me and stuff. I don't want to do anything.
I feed you.
Barely. No, when? One time?
Mom, you don't ask me to get you food.
When? Why do I have to ask you to give me food?
We don't be in a situation.
Why do I have to ask you to give me food?
No, you don't have to ask. No, we don't have to ask.
I pay for your food.
No, we don't have. Listen, you don't have to ask. But I'm saying we haven't been in a situation.
What's the situation gotta be? We go to restaurants and eat all the time.
Mom,
What's
sometimes
the
I do
situation
pay.
gotta be?
Sometimes I do pay for your food.
Okay. Can you name the last time you paid for my food?
It was just your birthday. We haven't been going out to eat.
We didn't go out to eat for my birthday.
Me, you did, honey. We went breakfast. And we haven't gone all September. We have not gone out. We only went to Olive Garden, and each of us paid for our own food.
Hello, what can I hear for you?
Can I get a fox cake pop, pumpkin scorn, a pumpkin spice blended frappuccino, a pumpkin muffin, a pumpkin spice latte,
I want that hot or ice?
Ice.
an apple crisp frappuccino.
Y'all, I didn't get every single drink, but I got a lot. And also I ordered the cold brew on one of my other vlogs, and that's good if you're wondering. But okay, we're up. Watch, I get copyrighted for this, can't even put it in. Okay guys, so we're gonna be trying the food. I know you can't see them, but I'll flip the camera over to them. So I'm gonna like be trying the food first. My mom left the forks in the car, but the pumpkin cream cheese muffin. The outside of it is really crunchy and really good, but I'm not really into the cream in the middle. Okay, this is the ice pumpkin. What is that? Iced pumpkin latte. Okay, that's actually good. It's a fox.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm not a fan of fox. They're cake pops. I mean, not a fan of foxes. Oh, there was a fox right across the street, and it looked just like this one.
That was a cat.
Is that what it is? It's getting busy. Okay, I would say the cake pop is pretty good. This is the pumpkin frappe.
It's not bad.
This year, I'm actually not upset about these. Last year I did not like these flavors. Okay, and then this one is the apple crisp, which I probably won't like. You're not gonna try them? This is actually very refreshing. We're gonna try the last food. I think we had this last year when we did this. Okay, yeah, this is pretty good. So my verdict is this year I'm really happy with all these drinks. I'm glad I didn't taste any bad drinks like last year. What was your favorite food of it? I even tried them all. What was your favorite? I like the muffin though. Okay guys, that's it for this vlog. Comment down below any other fall ideas. I was thinking about doing like a fall room redecoration, but is it even worth it? I don't know. But make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. So bye.